What's up?
Hello? You can buy this one. This girl.
Hi from New York. Hi, Manny! Please subscribe, Jerwena Bell.
Yeah, and buy my mom right now.
Guys, please subscribe, Jerwena Bell, guys.
Nagdagpat na po ko.
Mira.
Major, tataong ka. 30, 60. Major ko. Saan man na? Saan man na ron?
Sige, tanawa daw rin ang tupuan. Pwede na mga video.
Nakalimot lang ko sa password.
Baka ito lagi na ito na. Hindi ko ano ito na.
Pat lang. Lagi.
Buy my mom right now.
Pat one
You
time.
subscribed before. Annabelle! What is your daughter's name, Jessa? She is Ayesha Bell. Oh, say hi, Ayesha Bell. What is your name daw? What is your name? What is your name daw?
Ano man yun siya?
Secret.
Say na na yun.
Secret. If I will say my name if you give us money.
66 ba yun?
She is Ayesha Bell. And she is 10 years old.
Sige, ragpa-jackpot. Inig gabi eh.
Hi, Jessa. Ganda mo. Regards lang po from Misamis Occidental. Hi, Rebound. Way tugpa-tugpa. Please subscribe, Jerwena Bell. Kisa ni? Junel, Sakin, please subscribe, Jerwena Bell. Hi, Nixon. Please subscribe, Jerwena Bell. How is your health, Jessa? I'm good. I'm good. Thank you for asking. How about you, Greg? Craig?
Mangita man na sila ko ninig kuan.
Huh?
Kanang wala ka, hingnan ako tong gilantan ka ba?
I'm better right now. Is this new friend woman? I can tell her that I already give mom money for food. Jen cannot take the money already right now because she need to. Kano sa pagay ka?
Inig sweet do.
She need to wait for the payment.
Ha? Ano na naglaro mo prito nagtulat? Ito niyo to? Magbat mo sila si mama.
Say palit lang. Prito di gulo.
Guilty na nga ko. Dili man nakayutan ng gulat, yung punta ka lutog bulat. Karon pa man ka magluto.
Pero kung sige suda na lang yung ate kayo. 5 times.
I'm in excellent health. I don't smoke, drink, or take drugs. Oh, really?
You're good.
You're good. Me and Jen is drinking,
Drinking beer.
but not smoking, only drinking.
But much drinking.
Mas drinking daw.
They
Times 10! Jackpot! Major lang one time! Major! Joker, please!
Sus, minor pa na 5. Ano na 50? Awards!
Minor, Jen.
10 na! Ni Mek.
May nalang, oy.
Ni Mek. Di pa ito na nag-times 10 na. Ano na ito? Email.
Please give us 500. And if you give us
Guys,
500,
please subscribe, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Jerwena Bell. Huy, sulat gud ako, abe.
Ma,
Hindi siya kasulat,
na nag-comment. I want to buy both of you.
Naman.
Nasa taas.
I'm free.
Okay, good.
Naman.
I am free.
I wanna buy both of you.
Isa na si.
Si SF. Hi, SF! Okay, you can buy us.
If you give 500,
You two ladies have laway-laway plan. Laway-laway plan. Buang!
Later.
tung,
Not now. We don't have money yet. If you will send us Gcash, then
Paligaw tea.
we will go laway-laway.
Hi! Rofame Ayaso, please subscribe, Jerwena Bell. I will pay 5,000. Okay, you can pay now.
Go. That's good.
Send Gcash.
5,000. Send Gcash. Go, 5,000. Faster.